Mindfulness is a simple yet profound way of paying attention. It means being awake to your life as it unfolds. You choose to focus your awareness in the present moment. This is done intentionally, with a kind and open heart. You observe your thoughts, feelings, and sensations without judging them. It is about being fully where you are right now. Meditation is a specific practice that helps cultivate mindfulness. Think of it as exercise for your mind, training your attention. When you meditate, you set aside time to sit quietly. You might focus on your breath, a sound, or a sensation. The goal is not to stop your thoughts or empty your mind. Instead, you learn to observe your thoughts without getting carried away. Meditation helps to develop a calm and stable mental state. Mindfulness and meditation are closely connected, like two good friends. By meditating regularly, your ability to be mindful grows stronger. You can be mindful while washing dishes or talking to a friend. Mindfulness is not confined to your meditation cushion. It is a way of living with greater presence and awareness. Meditation nourishes mindfulness, and mindfulness enriches life. One of the most common benefits of mindfulness is stress reduction. Life often feels very busy, full of demands and pressures. Our minds can get caught in worrying about the future or dwelling on the past. Mindfulness gently brings us back to the present moment. By anchoring in the now, we can step out of cycles of worry. This creates a space for calm to enter our lives. Mindfulness also helps to improve your focus and concentration. Practicing mindfulness is like training a muscle for attention. This improved focus can help you in many areas of life. Through mindfulness, you can develop a deeper self-awareness. You begin to notice your patterns of thinking and feeling. Understanding yourself better is a key to personal growth. Another beautiful benefit is learning better emotional regulation. Mindfulness teaches you to pause and observe strong emotions. This helps you navigate life's ups and downs more smoothly. One of the simplest ways to begin practicing mindfulness is through your breath. Your breath is always with you, a constant anchor to the present. Simply bring your gentle attention to the sensation of breathing. Notice the air as it enters and leaves your body. Just observe its natural rhythm. Even a few moments of mindful breathing can bring calm. Another helpful technique is the body scan. Bring awareness to different parts of your body. Start with your toes and move up. Notice any sensations there. Continue scanning your entire body. The aim is to simply notice. You can also bring mindfulness to everyday activities. Mindful eating transforms a routine task. Notice your food's colors and shapes. Chew slowly and pay attention to the taste. Mindful walking is another wonderful way to integrate mindfulness. Section 4. Finding your stillness. An introduction to meditation practices. Guided meditation is a great starting point for beginners. You listen to a teacher's voice guiding you. The teacher might instruct you to focus on your breath. Having guidance can make it easier to stay focused. Silent meditation is sitting quietly on your own. You choose a point of focus for your attention. Your mind will wander, and that's normal. Gently bring it back when you notice. Loving kindness meditation cultivates positive feelings. Start by offering kind wishes to yourself. Then, extend these wishes to others. Consistency is more important than duration. Short, frequent sessions help build the habit. Start small, be patient, and let your practice grow. Section 5. Embracing your path. Encouragement for your journey. As you begin your journey with mindfulness and meditation, please be gentle with yourself. This is a practice of kindness, starting with how you treat yourself. There is no such thing as a perfect meditation or a failed one. Every time you sit down to practice, you are learning. Some days your mind might feel calm, other days it might feel busy. This is all part of the process, part of being human. Approach each session with an open mind and a curious heart. Allow yourself to be a beginner, exploring new territory. Remember that this path unfolds one moment at a time. Your willingness to show up is what truly matters. It is completely normal for your mind to wander during practice. When you notice your mind has drifted away, this is not a sign that you are doing something wrong. The practice is to gently, without judgment, bring your attention back. Trust that by simply practicing, you are cultivating something valuable. If you found this helpful, give it a like, subscribe for more calming content, and share your first meditation experience in the comments below. Your journey starts now. The path of mindfulness is open to everyone.